Let's take a look at this example. Again, we're supposed to add two complex numbers. Please notice that we have J0. 0 times anything gives me 0. That's why I can rewrite this problem as 2 plus negative 3 minus J4. Okay? Now, please notice that at the front of the parentheses, I have positive sign. Anytime I have positive sign at the front of the parentheses, I'm supposed to remove the parentheses and keep the signs the same. So I have 2 minus 3 minus J4. Next, I'm supposed to combine the like terms. 2 minus 3 is equal negative 1, and I have minus J4. I can say this is the solution to my problem.